Your joints are talking to you, aren't they? Every time you stand up, sit down, or climb a few steps, that sharp pinch, that stiffness, that slow burning ache reminds you that something inside isn't the same anymore. And you keep wondering, is there anything natural that can calm this pain without swallowing pills every day? Yes, and it starts with one simple spice you probably already have in your kitchen. Imagine taking a small spoon of something so ordinary, yet so powerful that it instantly soothes inflammation, relaxes swollen joints, and helps your body heal from the inside. This spice works like nature's painkiller, especially for seniors over 50 who struggle with knee pain, back stiffness, arthritis flare-ups, or swollen fingers in the morning. Your body has been fighting silent inflammation for years. Stress, aging, past injuries, high uric acid, weak cartilage, all of them slowly irritate your joints. And when inflammation takes over, it becomes nearly impossible to move without pain. But this spice has a unique compound that switches off your body's internal fire alarm. It cools down the burning inflammation, improves blood flow around stiff joints, and helps restore flexibility so you feel lighter and more stable. This spice is turmeric, but not the plain powder you sprinkle on food. The real pain-relieving magic comes from curcumin, the active compound inside turmeric. Curcumin acts like a natural anti-inflammatory medicine, but without the side effects. Research shows it can block the same inflammation pathways that cause arthritis pain, joint swelling, and morning stiffness. And the best part? Your body responds to it fast. Many people feel relief within minutes to hours because it quickly reduces internal inflammation and supports circulation around the joints. But here's the secret most people don't know. Curcumin is only absorbed when taken the right way. If you simply add turmeric to your food, your body absorbs very little. To get real, noticeable relief, you need turmeric paired with black pepper. Even a tiny pinch of pepper boosts absorption by over 2,000%, helping curcumin reach your joints quickly and effectively. When you take turmeric with warm water, milk, or healthy fats like olive oil, it travels through your bloodstream and directly targets inflamed areas. Many seniors report that their knees feel more relaxed, their fingers stop throbbing, and their lower back tightness softens, all within a short time. It's not magic, it's nature doing what it was designed to do. And here's something even more powerful. Curcumin also helps your cartilage stay healthy. With age, the cushioning between your bones becomes thin, causing friction and sharp pain. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, turmeric supports your joints so they don't wear down as quickly. This means better mobility, better balance, and more confidence in daily activities. If you wake up with stiff knees, if sitting too long makes your hips hurt, if arthritis attacks make it hard to hold things, this simple spice can make a significant difference. You can mix half a teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper in warm water and drink it daily. Some people prefer adding it to golden milk at night, which calms the body and improves sleep while reducing inflammation. Your joints don't have to feel old just because you are aging. When you give your body the natural tools it needs, it heals, strengthens, and supports you in ways you forgot were possible. You deserve to walk without hesitation, bend without fear, and move without holding your breath from pain. This one powerful spice can help you reclaim that freedom, naturally, safely, and consistently. Turmeric won't just soothe your pain, it will help you feel like yourself again.